Doing Maxima-Minima. Let us wait others to join also.
Yes, sir.
Sharif, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I got your assignment which you submitted. Okay. It is good to do assignments and submit it. We will discuss those questions also. So let us discuss those questions which I gave in the assignment. Not all of them, some of them I will discuss. So, which you have tried. So first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. So first question was, it was given. You haven't tried it, Fazil? For which value of x will x minus 1, 3 minus x will have its maximum? So how we will do this question? We will take this as a function of x. And we will multiply. So we'll get 3 minus x minus 3x plus x square. So this will become x square minus 4x plus 3. And then we'll differentiate it. So we will get 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. Now, whether it is maxima or minima, that we have to confirm. So we'll differentiate it again. So it will become 2 when you differentiate it, which is greater than 0. So the value x is equal to 2 is a point of minima, not a maximum. Is a point of minima. So if we see the options for what value of x will, for which value of x will this have its maximum? Okay, I have written the question little wrong. This is x minus 1. And this is 3 minus x. So in that case, let us rewrite this. This will be 1 x minus 1. And this will become 3x minus x square minus 3 plus x. So minus x square plus 4x minus 3. So when we'll differentiate it, we'll get minus 2x plus 4. So x is still 2, 4 by 2, 2. So f dash x we will do, so it will become minus 2. And minus 2 is a negative value. So x is equal to 2 is now a point of maximum. Okay. So if the double derivative is negative, then it is a point of maximum. So our answer will be 2, which is C. Yeah, Sharif, you gave the correct answer 2. Okay. Is it clear to you, Fazil, also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are similar type of questions. We have to differentiate and find out. So today we are taking different type of questions which are more of application based. So let me take it. So this is the first question for today's class. It says if the sum of the lengths of the hypotenuse and a side of a right angle triangle is given, show that the area of the triangle is maximum when the angle between them is pi by 3. So it is a right angle triangle, which is A, B, C. And the sum of the lengths of the hypotenuse. So this is H and a side of the right angle triangle. So let us call it as L. So it is given H plus L is given. It is K constant given. H and L can vary, but sum of H and L will same. Suppose if we increase H, then we will decrease L by that amount so that the sum remains same. Or we decrease H by 5, so we'll increase L by 5 so that the sum still remains same. So this is given. Now you have to show that the area of a triangle ABC is maximum. So it is a question of maxima-minima. When the angle between them is pi by 3. So this angle, either you take this angle or this angle, one of these two angles is pi by 3. Or this angle actually, between the H and L is given. Na? So this angle is theta, suppose. So when theta is equal to pi by 3, this is what you have to prove. Okay, just give it a try. So how are you trying this question? So the given constant is K only. H and L is also variable, and theta is also variable. This length we can take as B. So area of triangle ABC, which you can say suppose A, is half into L into B. This is what it will give you, isn't it? Now, L can be written as H cos theta. From the figure, we can write L as H cos theta and B as H sin theta. So this is H square by 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is what A is. Now theta is also variable, H is also variable. You can't differentiate with respect to both the variables. Only one variable you can take. So K is a constant which is given. How can we use K? So what we can say that from here, which is given, that H plus L is equal to K. So we can say that H plus L is actually H cos theta. So H plus H cos theta from first one is equal to K. So this would mean that H into 1 plus cos theta is equal to K. So this we can write, now we can write H as K upon 1 plus cos theta. And then in area of triangle ABC.
Sir,
Yeah,
can you just repeat this step?
yeah. So what have I done here is H is as it is, L is H cos theta. This L is H cos theta. The base of the hypotenuse H is L when theta is this H cos theta. So I replaced L by H cos theta and it is equal to K. In this component we know that L is H cos theta I have and P is H sin theta. So this is how we can write. And then we write H common 1 plus cos theta equal to K. So H equal to K by 1 plus cos theta. Now we place this H in this A. The formula of A came out to be this. So I can write here is as H square mean K square by 1 plus cos theta whole square upon 2 is there into sin theta cos theta. So this is A. Now just write it till here. Now we have to differentiate A with respect to theta because theta is the only variable. K is the given constant. 2 is also given to us. So now we have to differentiate with respect to theta and find that theta is pi by 3 when derivative is 0. So first write from here to there. I will scroll it down when you write it. Now what you have to do is you have to differentiate this area with respect to theta and equate it to 0 and find out that the forward value of theta, the derivative is 0. K square by 2 are constant. They will become 0 on the right side. So actually you have to differentiate, and this sine theta, cos theta, you can make as multiply by 2 here and multiply by 2 here, and this will become sine 2 theta. So we don't want too many terms. It's 2 sine theta into cos theta is sine 2 theta, and 1 plus cos theta whole square is there. And rest k square by 4 will become multiplied with 0. So this will be 0. Now just differentiate and find theta. First we'll apply quotient rule here. So it will become 1 plus cos theta to the power 4 and 1 plus cos theta whole square, and sine 2 theta will be 2 cos 2 theta, and then minus sine 2 theta it will become, and 1 plus cos theta whole square will be 2 into 1 plus cos theta, and derivative of cos theta will be minus sine theta. And this is equal to 0. This is the quotient rule which we apply here. The denominator will become 0, and it will be 2 cos 2 theta into 1 plus cos theta whole square, minus and minus will become plus 2 sine theta sine 2 theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to 0. Now you can take 1 plus cos theta as common and write 2 cos 2 theta into 1 plus cos theta plus 2 sine theta into sine 2 theta is equal to 0. Now 1 plus cos theta cannot be 0 here, because cos theta cannot be minus 1, as theta cannot be equal to pi. So this is not equal to 0. Rest is remaining this term. So 2 cos 2 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta into cos theta, it will become, plus sine 2 theta into sine theta, it will become equal to 0. So it will become 2 cos 2 theta. 2 also you can take common, and it will go on the RHS and become 0. So cos 2 theta plus this formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos of A minus B, which will be 2 theta minus theta 0. Now cos C plus cos T is 2 cos C plus T by 2 into cos C minus T by 2 equal to 0. This we will get here. Now from here, we get 3 theta by 2 is equal to pi by 2, or we get theta by 2 is equal to pi by 2. because at 90 degree it becomes 0, pi by 2. Here theta will become pi by 3, and here theta will become pi. Pi, you can't take angle of a triangle 180 degrees. So theta equal to pi by 3 is your answer. This is not acceptable as an angle of a triangle. So now you can write it. It means
Sir, I
starting
was
from-
having a doubt.
Yeah, you can just see this calculation. Till here,
Sir,
you
1 plus cos theta can have negative value, right? -1.
but it can have negative value at theta is equal to pi. Pi means 180 degree. You can't take angle of a triangle as 180 degree. No? Should I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
So the next question, let us see that also. This is the next question. So just give it a try. We'll discuss it. So if you will try to visualize this question, an open box with a square base. So this is a square base. And this is an open box. So top is not um, shut up from the top. It's not shut from the top. It is not closed from the top. So an open box with a square base is made of a given quantity of cardboard of area C square. Show that the maximum volume of the box is this. So if you have this as a square base, so you can suppose that all the sides of this square base is of x unit length, and the height of the square base is y. The height of the box is y. So how many area is required to make the box? If you see, what is the area required to make the box? So you can see there that the base is x square, the area x into x, and the four adjacent sides are x into y plus x into y, so 4 times. So this is the base area and the 4 walls, so area required to make the box, and this is given as c square. So x and y are the variables, c is a constant here. Now the volume of the box is as it is x square y, base is x square and height is y, so volume is x square y. LBH we do not, LBH. So length is x, breadth is x, height is y. So this volume is maximum. Now here 2 variables are there, x and y. So what you can do is you can use this condition and take y from here in terms of c and x and put it here. So you have to put y here multiplied with x square, right? So multiply it with extra. What will be y? Can you tell? C square minus x square upon 4x. This is y. So this is c square minus x square upon 4x. And then 1x will get cancelled and it will be x into c square minus x square by 4. So finally the volume is x into c square minus x square upon 4, which is dependent upon x only because c is a constant. So you will differentiate this volume with respect to x and find out where the derivative is 0 for which value of x. So do this. Yes, so have you found the value of x?
Is it 0?
How can be x 0? Then the box will not be possible. No? If you take the side length as 0, can you make the box? It is just a common sense, right? So dv by dx is derivative of x into c square minus x cube. 4 is a constant, so that will become 0 when multiplied with 0. So it will become c square and derivative of x will be 1 minus x cube will become 3x square is equal to 0. So x square is equal to c square by 3, which means x is equal to c by root 3. So this is the value of x which we are getting. And after getting value of x, therefore value of y is from here c square minus x square, that will be c square by 3 by 4. X is c by root 3, right? So we put x as c by root 3. So this will become 2c square by 3. And this will be 4c by root 3. So this will become 2, this will become 3. and 1c will cancel. So c by 2 root 3 will become. This is y. Now you know x and you know y. So what you have to find out the maximum volume of the box. So volume of the box is, as we earlier did it, x square y. So x square will be c square by 3. Y is c by 2 root 3. So it will be c cube by 6 root 3. This will be your answer. C cube by 6 root 3. Written.
Yes.
So next question is this: if the sum of the surface areas of cube and a sphere is constant, what is the ratio of an edge of the cube to the diameter of the sphere when the sum of their volumes is minimum? So here two objects are given. One is cube and one is a sphere. Cube has a length, suppose A. A sphere has a radius, suppose R. Surface area of the cube will be 6a square because one surface has the area a square and there are 6 surfaces, 6a square, and the sphere surface area is 4 pi r square, and the sum of this is constant k, which is given. Now it is further saying what is the ratio of an edge of the cube, that is a, to the diameter of the sphere, that is 2r. What is this ratio when sum of their volumes is minimum? So volume of the cube is a cube and the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r. This is minimum. So when this sum is minimum, then what will be the ratio of a with 2r? Basically, a with r you will find out, and when you do, then you divide by 2. Yeah, which any progress?
Sir, I'm doing so.
How are you doing? Can you please explain?
Sir, in place of A, I substituted this equation, constant equation.
Yeah, correct. So this will become like a cube will become k minus 4 pi r square by 6 under root, and to the power 3 by 2 it will become like this. Next, you will have to differentiate this v with respect to r and equate it to 0. All other are constants, only r is the variable. Earlier, a and r both were the variable. From here, we write it like this. So this differentiation is little lengthy, not too much. Just see. So when you will differentiate it, what will happen? It will be 3 by 2 k minus 4 pi r square by 6 to the power 1 by 2. And then by chain rule, the differentiation of the term which is inside it, k by 6 is 0 minus 4 pi by 6 into 2 r, it will become. Another one is not so much difficult. It will be 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square. 3 will cancel. So here also 2, 3 is 6, and 3 and 3 will cancel. And 2, 2 is 4, and 7, 3 is 6. Oh no, this is inside the square. This will cancel. Okay, now it will become minus 2r minus 2 pi r minus 2 pi r into k minus 4 pi r square by 6 and then the root plus 4 pi r square, and this is 0, this is also 0, and you can take 2 pi r as common, and that will become 0. So it will remain as minus k minus 4 pi r square by 6 to the power 1 by 2 plus 2r is equal to 0. Next, you will write it like this. I will give you the time to write it now. Just keep following. K minus 4 pi r square by 6 is equal to 2r, and if you remove a square root, it will become a square. So it will be k minus 4 pi r square is equal to 4 into 6, 24 r square. So you will get k by 24 plus 4 pi as r square. That means r will be k by 24 plus 4 pi square root. This is the radius. This is a little not very simple term. And then if you want to find a, so that a is from here k minus 4 pi r square by 6 square root. This was A. So it will be K minus 4 pi R square will be K by 24 plus 4 pi by 6 square root, and 24K, 4 pi K will cancel. It will become 24K and 6, 4, 24. It will become 4K by 24 plus 4 square. Now, if you take the ratio of A by 2R, so it is very simple now. A by 2R is equal to, as you can see that A is 4, you can take outside, it will become 2. 2 root K by 24 plus 4 pi. So this term and this term is actually same. When you take A by 2R, what you will get, this term will get cancelled with this term. And A will have 2 with it, and R there is extra 2. So 2 by this term and 2 into this term, it will cancel and you get 2 by 2, 1. This will be the answer. So this is all calculation. You can start writing it from here. So I'm scrolling it down. Scrolling it down further. Okay, so we are concluding today's session as it is the time for the next class.